children, Sai Ram. I hope you all must be waiting for maths period because maths is a very interesting subject and here we can learn something new every day. So children, are you excited to learn? Yes. So today we are going to learn something new. So children, first of all, I am going to show you some pictures. Now what are the pictures you can see on the screen? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. We can see here two pictures of children. There is a boy and a girl. But children, are they standing together in a line? No. We can see a boy and girl, they are standing in different position. So can you tell me where is the girl? Yes, a girl is standing behind the boy. And where is the boy standing then? Yes, boy is standing in front of the girl. So here children, we can see two positions like in front of and behind. Now see this picture and tell me what you all can see on the screen. Yes, we can see a picture of a tree, a house and a grass. Now tell me, where is the grass? Very good children. We can see a grass in front of the tree. Am I correct? No children. We can see a grass in front of the house. And where is the tree then? Yes, a tree is behind the house. So, here we can see one picture behind the house and one picture in front of the house. So children, today we are going to learn more about behind and in front of. To make you understand, I am going to show you more pictures. Now look at the screen children and tell me what you all can see here in this picture. Yes, you all are very clever. We can see a picture of a curtain and pictures of two boys. Can you tell me which boy is standing in front of the curtain? Very good. Yes, the boy who is to your right hand side is standing in front of the curtain. And where is the other boy standing? Yes, the boy who is standing to your left hand side is standing behind the curtain. Can you understand the difference children? One boy is standing in front of the curtain and the other child is standing behind the curtain. Now see the another picture and tell me what you all can see in this picture. Yes, we can see a picture of a house and a well. Now where is the well? Yes children? Yes, very good. A well is in front of the house. And where is the house? House is behind the well. Now see this picture and tell me what you all can see here. We can see here two beautiful girls. One girl is standing behind the door and one girl is standing in front of the door. Can you tell me which girl is standing in front of the door? Yes, the girl who is wearing red color dress and who is standing to your front side, to your right hand side, that girl is standing in front of the door. And the girl to your left hand side is standing behind the door. Is it clear, children? Are you understanding what is in front of and what is behind? I hope you all are understanding. Okay, let's see the next picture now. Can you tell me what these two girls are playing here? Yes, they are playing an interesting game. They are playing cricket and it is a famous game. Everybody like to play it. Now here in this picture, children, we can see two girls. But they are standing in a different position. We can see a girl to your right hand side. She is standing in front of the stumps. And a girl who is wearing red color dress is standing behind the stumps. So it is very clearly seen here. One girl is standing in front of the stumps and the other girl is standing behind the stumps. Now see this picture and tell me what you all can see here. Very good. Here in this picture, you all can see a picture of a box and a picture of a toy doll. Where is the box, children? Can you answer? Yes, the box is behind the toy doll. And where is the toy doll? Yes, it is in front of the box. Now see this picture. What you all can see here? Yes, very good. We all can see here a big picture of a tree. Anything else can you see here, children? Can you see an animal? Can you name it? Yes, we can see a picture of a donkey. And now tell me, where is the donkey standing? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, see the picture and answer. Yes, a donkey is standing in front of the tree. Very good, children. Now see the next picture. Now children, I hope you all must have understood the behind and in front of. So we will do an interesting activity now. Okay, ready, students? So do as directed. See here on the screen, you can see a picture of a boy and a car. And children, tell me, where is the boy standing? Yes, a boy is standing in front of the car. So children, here you are going to circle the child in front of the car. So now I will circle the boy who is standing in front of the car. Understood, children? Yes, very good. Now see the next picture. Now here, children, we can see a boy who is brushing his teeth in front of the mirror. And we can see his image also in the mirror. So you have to find out the correct answer and you have to tick the child in front of the mirror. So we will tick the boy who is in front of the mirror. Okay, children, understood? Okay. Am I correct? Yes, very good. Now see the another picture. So here we can see these two children are running, and you have to circle the child who is running behind. Okay, so now we will circle the boy who is wearing yellow color t-shirt because he is running behind. I hope children you all are understanding. Okay, now see the next picture. Circle the man who is standing in front of the car. Here we can see a man who is standing in front of the car. So let's circle. Okay children, am I correct? Yes, very good. Now let's see the next picture. Take the child who is standing in front of the house. Here we can see a picture of a house and a boy. And we can see this boy is standing in front of the house. And we have to put a tick mark on this child. So is it correct? Yes, very good. Now let's see the other picture. Here children, you can see a tree and a boy who is standing in front of the tree. So children, you have to put a cross on this child because he is standing in front of the tree. Very good children. Now let's see the next picture. Yes, here you have to circle the girl standing behind the swing. Here on the screen we can see two children are playing on the swing and a girl is standing behind the swing. So we have to circle this girl who is standing behind the boy behind the swing. Is it correct children? Okay, now let's see the next picture. Now here we can see a picture of a house and a boy, and you have to tick the child in front of the house. So I will put a tick mark on this boy who is standing in front of the house. I hope children you all must have liked the activity and enjoyed so much. I hope children you all must have understood the concept of behind and in front of. Thank you so much.